body. You are my soul.
My heart is you, my heartbeat is yours. My breath is you, the flow is yours.
The color of my veins is you. The rhythm within them is yours.
Every heartbeat says,
You alone are my heart's truth.
my thoughts are you, my feelings your secret. The dream in my eyes is you.
The answer to my soul is you.
Every heartbeat says,
You alone are my heart's truth.
you are my body, you are my soul, you are my within, my beyond, my whole world.
You are my hidden self. You are my seen self. My silence and my poet. Both are you.
Every heartbeat says, you alone are my heart's truth.
You are my touch. You are my fragrance. My desire and my longing, all you.
You are my pain, you are my cure, my beginning and my end, all you.
Every heartbeat says, You alone are my heart's truth.